Okay. So you started as an associate. Tell me what the transition was like. You said you initially mentioned it was really hard, but tell me why.
Yeah, it was hard
Yeah.
because you have a lot of self-doubt when you start because you feel like you're not. I felt like I wasn't trained for any of this. I felt like everyone else had the technical training, and these are all things you can pick up. But when you first join, you have these doubts, and you see the analysts you're supposed to be managing know so much more than you. Like they'll just run circles around you.
Imposter syndrome or whatever they call it.
Yeah.
Where you're
A
like,
little bit, yeah.
You're just like,
Yeah.
I don't know. I can't do that. Like, I think that's super common even for MBAs for the analysts to run circles. So you shouldn't feel bad. But yeah, you coming from the
For sure.
the legal background, it's tough.
And I see that from MBA people, MBA folks who just join. It's hard, I guess, when you go in without that analyst training because those analysts are, just the reps alone just make them so good.
Yeah.
But at the same time, you have to realize, they don't have always the maturity or the professionalism, and they are not good at project management. Like you have to understand that you have a different role than they do.
Yep.
So you don't have to be good at everything. You've got to find something you're good at and then have the rest of the team complement you. So that's kind of how I went through it.